No, don't swipe. This isn't one of those digital arrest or scams. I just wanted to let you know a secret. I am Ravi IR. With all this buzz about AI, you probably think I am an AI generated avatar spewing words to grab your attention. No, this is an authentic, real human being with a real face, expressions, and expressing my thoughts through a camera. Real people, real stories, that's what we sell. And believe me, nothing sells better than that. Authentic human beings telling their stories to a camera. With this AI buzz, more and more people, our consumers, our mothers, grandmothers, grandchildren, they are all going to believe human stories. Want to capture one? Call us. We are Talkaholics. We cover real people, real stories, authentic and simple.